Hi friends, welcome to Predict the Unpredictable series. Here I predict questions for the UPSC Prelims 2024. In today's video, I am going to give you a very important map point for the Prelims 2024. Guys, if you have observed, one of the favorite topics in the UPSC Prelims examination from the map area is disputed territory. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important disputed territory for the Prelims 2024. This topic is Esquiva. Esquiva is a disputed territory between Guyana and Venezuela. Guys, this region is 160,000 kilometers square kilometers region, which is very rich in oil, and this is now being disputed between Venezuela and Guyana. Recently, 95% of voters in Venezuela's referendum, they voted for establishing Venezuelan state in the Esquiva region. Guys, Esquiva region is mainly a forested region which is very rich in oil. And why recently this debate has again come up? Because Guyana has given some contracts to oil companies in this region. Guys, you all know that Guyana is having an oil boom. And on the other hand, Venezuela is passing through an economic crisis. Recently, America has uplifted the sanction which was there on Venezuelan economy. So Venezuela also wants this oil share, this oil rich region, which at present is in the control of Guyana. And why it is important for India? Because Guyana, many Indian origin people are living in Guyana. And why Venezuela is important for India? Because India till 2020, before the American sanction, was importing oil from Venezuela, and recently the minister has said that after lifting of sanction from Venezuela, again we are going to import oil from Venezuela. Venezuelan oils are high sulfur content crude oil, where generally refineries like Paradip are equipped to refine this Venezuelan oil. That is why this region is very, very important. Again, I repeat, Esquiva, it is a disputed territory between Venezuela and Guyana. So generally what they will give you match the pair. They will give you here the territory Esquiva, and then they will give you two countries name. So the name of the countries will be Venezuela and Guyana. So guys, in the UPSC Prelims Examination 2024, we are going to give you lot of questions which are map based questions, and every month in our Lakshya test series we are covering all such important map points in our monthly marathon session. Today we are also having a monthly marathon session. If you want to attend at 8 p.m. you can contact me in the details which are given in the description. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.